Yeah, I haven't paid that much attention to Leonardo DiCaprio lately. I just, you know, it's just like I have way too many other things to think about. I'm shocked that he actually won. You actually won for Best Actor for The Wolf of Wall Street. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. It's disgusting the way these horrible people just sit around and congratulate each other. Right, and I guess I feel like maybe I should talk about the fact that I went to a Walgreens the other night. I mean, my having published a video about that was to even just explain to the people who had already noticed that I'd been there why I had gone there. You know, and that was actually sort of just my purpose about it in the first place. Obviously, there are people who already knew, and I thought I might as well explain it. I mean, I literally have not been to a Walgreens for I don't even know. It's not even a place where I would ordinarily shop. I don't think there are as many of them in Vermont. I don't even know if there are any in Vermont. But certainly, since I've been in the Boston area, since 2011, I have not been to a Walgreens even once. And that was even when I was seeing, publishing things saying, look, you know, I can't really worry that much about the names of places where I have to buy things because I'm homeless, and I have to just be able to, you know, buy things where I'm able to buy things. So I would even go to places like CVS, which is across the street in Cambridge from Walgreens, and I had to be in Cambridge most of the time to be able to use the internet, women's day shelters, that kind of thing. And I still never went to Walgreens. I mean, that is, I don't even know how many times I have told you how I feel about you. So also, if you're someone who's now sending things to my phone calling me a whore, how about you stop doing that too? I mean, you are a man who has been totally indulged in every disgusting thing you have ever wanted to do, right? I mean, while I get attacked for absolutely nothing all the time, and people never ever leave my past alone. I mean, you harassing actresses, you know, and then beating up their boyfriends, and nothing happens to you. Engaging in, you know, criminal gambling, which resulted in people who did not even begin with as much money as you, like just defrauding other people out of their money so they could try to pay off their debts, and yet nothing happens to you ever. Nothing happens to you ever, right? And you're dating some girl who's half your age, you know, and that's supposedly seen as some sign of masculinity and virility from you, instead of just, you know, being the obvious sign of just total gross immaturity, you know, because you're incapable of dating an intelligent woman your own age. I mean, that is really the truth of it. That is really genuinely the truth of it. I mean, I couldn't care less what you do with your life as long as I'm not harmed because of you anymore.